Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by inserting the image and selecting it. That's the only way this workflow works. Click Insert Image, pick your source, and place the image on the slide. Once selected, you'll see the crop and mask controls. Make sure to size the image roughly where you want it before masking, because masking preserves the frame. Now open the small drop-down next to the crop icon to access the full list of shapes you can apply to this image. Choose Mask and pick the exact shape you want. This is how you change an image's outline in Google Slides. Once the mask is applied, double-click the image to move or crop the photo inside the shaped frame. You're changing what shows through the mask rather than the mask itself. Use the corner handles to scale and hold Shift to lock aspect ratio when necessary, and rotate the whole masked object with the Rotate handle to get perfect alignment before finalizing. Finalize by styling the masked image. Right-click and use Format options to add borders, shadows, recolor, or change transparency. This completes the look. If you need to change the shape, simply select Mask again and pick another shape. You can also double-click to refine the crop inside. If something behaves oddly, try resetting the image or restarting slides. Most issues are just UI hiccups. Remember, the mask method is the only built-in way to change an image shape in Google Slides.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.